Hello guys, welcome to Genesios channel. Here in this video I'll be showing you how to create an AI talking videos. Without wasting much time, let's go straight and let me show you with my screen record how to create it. Don't forget to like this video. Alright guys, so welcome back. I will be dropping the link to get here. So you check my comment section, or you check description area. You'll be seeing the link. Just click on the link, it will come over here. Once it comes here, the next thing you do as a new person is to sign up. You see the sign up icon here. You just quickly sign up, click on the sign up button, you sign up. So you have two areas how you can sign up. You can sign up either with your Google or you sign up either with your Facebook. I would advise you sign up with your Google if you have a Gmail account. So let's quickly sign up with our Google account. So you pick any one of your choice, just click confirm. Very good. So it's loading. Allow it to load. If you've not liked this video, what are you waiting for? Hit the like button. If you've not subscribed, go ahead and do so. So what you just need to do, you're going to fill in all this thing, your email, your password, verification code, then you get the code, then you sign up to make sure everything is complete. So let's go ahead. I'll just click, do that immediately. So you see something like this, it has been sent. Go to your Gmail account to find the verification code. So you can see my Gmail account is there. They've sent me the code. All I will just do is to do what? Go ahead and open it to see the code. Copy the code. Go and paste it. So once it comes up, you will see this. Welcome. So which of the following best describes you? So it depends on you right now. If you're going to be using this talking AI for corporates, for small or medium business, for startup, for trainer, for teacher, it depends on you. Actually, I'll be clicking on medium and small business because it's for my business. Click on it, allow it to load, click continue. Then they'll ask you again, what type of business are you involved in? Advertising, e-commerce? Just click on anything. I'll just click on online services, continue. You still go ahead. What kind of content do you create or plan to create? Social media. I'll just click on social media content. Yeah, depends on you though. Any plan in mind for today. So you have 3 days free trial of 10 credits with no commitment. So you just pick what you want. Create content. Is the AI avatar, video instant editing. Just click on it. All right. Good. So actually this has an app. All right, it has an app. So it depends on what you want. It has an app, so you can see this. You'll see different things. Look at, you can try any of them. If you want a guy, if you want a lady, just pick any of this and boom, you're good to go. You're good to go. You can also, one beautiful thing about this, you can also add your own voice over. So you can see here, add voiceover. You can also upload an audio. You can even do anything. So my next video, I will be showing you how to use your own face. All right. This one I will be using the one they gave to us here. I don't want this video to be too long. In my next video, I will show you how to use your own face. How to change this AI talking video using your own face. So let's just look for one person actually. So one beautiful thing about this AI is free of charge. All right, so let me just pick this person. Try now. Pick one of them. Use the templates here. Pick anyone and generate what you want. Alright guys, I just selected a video. I selected this one. Then I also created my own audio. All right, so you see record audio, I just recorded it. Now let me just click on make talking photo. Let's go and see the magic. It's processing. Said it takes around 10 minutes to process a 1-minute clip. All right, let's wait. Let me pause it here, then I'll come back with it. All right, guys, as you can see, it's ready. Wow, it's ready. Let's just play it and see how it looks like. Now if you want to download it, look at your download here. Once you download it, go straight to your gallery. All right, let me just play and watch. Let's listen. Play. Hello guys, welcome to Genocido's channel. Here in this video I'll be showing you how to create an AI talking videos. Without wasting much time, let's go straight and let me show you with my screen record how to create it. Don't forget to like this video. Alright, you see how easy it is. So I'll just go straight to download. Look at my download here. That's a download area. Click on it. I use my own record. You can also use, if you don't want to use your own, you can use their own voice over. All right, I just use my record. So you download the video. I click on download. It's downloading and you're good to go. So this app or this website gives you every day 10 credits. So I'll be showing you how you, so now when you finish, here are all your projects. So you can see now I have 6.8 credits left. All right, so now how do you get more credit? Because for you to create a long video you need like 20 credits. All right, so now how do you get, even without, because you don't need to pay, they have upgrade, but without the upgrade you can get credits you have 10 free credits daily. So how do you get these free credits? You just come over here, you see watch an ad. Very important, watch an ad. Anytime every day you come here, watch an ad, it gives you 10. All right, so let me just show you so you know how to get credits to create your own AI talking video. Sorry, if you've not liked this video, go ahead and like it. Also hit the subscribe button, click on watch an ad. Let's click on the start. So you see, we are watching an ad. We have 2 ads right here. Are the 2 ads. So we are now installing. You go to the next ad. All right, the ad is still there. When you watch this ad, you get that amount, so it's super amazing. Then this is, you go to, you watch the next ad. So this is the ad 2. You can see it up here. That's the ad 2. That's the ad 2. We'll just watch what will happen. You see that our credits will increase for us to create our AI. So when you're done watching the ads, just come to this times icon. I want to, this times icon up here. Click on it to go out, so we can go to our profile. You see, so our credits will increase. Right now it was 6.8. Now we have 7.8. You keep doing it till the 10 occupy. So now you watch like 10 times, you go back again, click full and beautiful. So if you've not liked this video, go ahead and do so. Like this video. Next video I'll be showing you how to create your AI talking videos using your own face. You don't need all these people, you understand me? You don't need their own faces. You'll be using your own face to create it. All right,